Hi, Stasha the Period Coach here, and today I would like to talk to you about harnessing the power of your female brain. Your business needs you to be you. Your business needs you to be a woman running a business. Your body needs you, to be a woman running her body. These are very important concepts. You have a female brain. There's no denying it. Your brain actually corresponds with your hormones. Things happen based on your hormones. It actually changes what you're good at when you're good at it. And this isn't a bad thing. I know we've spent all of our modern history trying to repress our femaleness, repress our hormones, make our cycles invisible, and if all that discreet packaging wasn't a tip-off and scented products weren't the tip-off, let me just tell you, let's stop repressing women. It's not working out for us. So stop repressing yourself. You might not be able to do it for anyone else, but you can certainly do it for you. So instead of repressing what it is that makes you freaking awesome, trying to man up and do dude things, let's just embrace being a woman. And there is power in our brains. There's power in our hormones. If we could stop the self-flagellation, we could actually get quite far ahead being just as we are. Powerful women. Your body needs you to be you. Your business needs you to be you. So if we could stop running our businesses and trying to force our bodies into a man-shaped suit and instead just be the women that we are, and if that means wearing a suit, fine, then we could get a lot further faster. There's nothing wrong with your brain. There's nothing wrong with how you work. In fact, you can actually do quite a bit when you're harnessing this power. So here's the thing. As your hormones cycle through your body, they make changes in your brain. Certain things you're good at certain times, certain things you're not so good at certain times. But that doesn't make you less than. It just means do the things you're good at when you're good at them, and don't do the things that you're bad at when you're bad at them. Just do the things that you're good at when you're good at them, and let the rest come in, because guess what? It's coming back next month. Your body's not abandoning you. You're not gonna never be able to do this thing again. You're just going through a cycle, as does everybody. The whole world would benefit if we were all actually just admitted our cycles and actually use them to our advantage. Another rant for another time. So here's the deal. I'm running a webinar called Funnel of Flow. This webinar is going to show you how to actually set up a funnel for your business with your flow, using your cycle. So you can create an entire funnel with your cycle. It's repeatable, something you can do over and over and over again. I'm going to show you just how your hormones shift in your brain and how to use that to your advantage. What you can do right now, start charting. Click below. I'm going to give you the link to the Funnel of Flow webinar. I'm also going to give you the link to my free charting mandala, just in case you're watching this video and Funnel of Flow has already ended. You can go and check out the mandala and get started. Start charting, start taking notes, see what you're good at and when that is. Use that knowledge to your advantage. Click the links below. I look forward to seeing you in Funnel of Flow, and I can't wait to see you shine as a woman, using your own power. The world will be a better place. All right, Ovary Gang. Peace out. I'll see you next week.